Flowlu is a complete suite of project and business management tools, including a CRM, invoicing, Kanban board, white label functionality, and client portal. With Flowlu, you can easily create invoices, automate billing, track revenue, and optimize expenses. Using Flowlu, anyone can manage projects, track workloads, and prioritize tasks, plus access a CRM to handle sales funnels, use the project board to quickly view progress, budgets, deadlines, and more, instantly convert your ideas to tasks, and make recurring tasks for the same workflows or at specific intervals, like weekly reports. The Kanban board lets you prioritize tasks and find out what needs to get done at a glance, with due dates attached to the cards. There's even the option to measure the time spent on each task to optimize your processes. You can also add collaborators to each task and grant them the same access rights as assignees so they can help get the job done. The Kanban board lets you quickly create tasks, prioritize work, and set deadlines. Flowlu's built-in CRM lets you track all your sales funnels from one place. You can manage new sales opportunities and funnels, as well as track customer interactions and email communications. CRM automation makes it easy to design flows that set follow-up tasks, create projects, and send emails. Plus, you can assign users to the employee access level and manage which accounts they can see. Protecting your contacts' privacy, the built-in CRM lets you automate processes like follow-up tasks and emails to save tons of time. Craft professional estimates and invoices in seconds using fully customizable templates, which let you include your logo, change the layout, or apply a specific color scheme. You can also add taxes, discounts, and shipping charges to single-line items or invoice totals. Then let Flowlu crunch the numbers for you. There are even options to create recurring or scheduled invoices, so you always get paid on time. Don't worry, you can enable invoice approval to verify before sending, too, and because Flowlu integrates with major payment gateways, clients can pay you right from the invoice. Swiftly create custom invoices that integrate with major payment gateways to get paid without the hassle. Flowlu's knowledge base makes it simple to store and manage any kind of data from one place. Document your team's critical information and SOPs in an organized, shared knowledge hub for easy access. You can also use a knowledge base to develop a self-serve help center for your customers, taking the pressure off your support team. Level up your communication with clients using the white label feature. Create a custom domain and email domain for notifications, invoices, estimates, and user invitations to the account. Build self-serve knowledge bases to share important information with your team and customers. Flowlu also offers a powerful client portal that makes it easy to seamlessly share information with your clients, freelancers, contractors, or anyone outside your company. You can invite external users to the portal via email or a link, using flexible permissions to make sure clients are only able to view the data and fields you appoint. They can access their own projects, tasks, invoices, estimates, and knowledge base, plus chat with your team via the built-in messenger. On top of improving collaboration and enhancing transparency, Flowlu's client portal lets you use your own custom domain, add a logo, and customize onboarding. The client portal offers a dedicated space for your external users to access information and stay connected with your team. There comes a time when you have to consolidate, whether you're out of hard drive space or your significant other asks if you really need that many pairs of socks. Thanks for watching. Check product link in video description.